What if everything you know about survival is wrong? Most people believe the strongest always survive. It sounds logical, but nature tells a different story. Millions of years ago, giant dinosaurs ruled our planet. They seemed unstoppable. Then, in a single moment, everything changed. The sky darkened. The climate shifted. The world became unforgiving. The giants disappeared. Yet some small creatures survived. Not because they were stronger, but because they could adapt. From the frozen Arctic to the hottest deserts to the deepest oceans, life found different ways to survive. That simple pattern changed the way we understand nature. And one curious young scientist would help reveal its greatest secret. Nearly 200 years ago, a young English naturalist set sail on a journey that would change science forever. His name was Charles Darwin. For 5 years, he traveled across oceans, forests, mountains, and remote islands, carefully observing the incredible diversity of life. But one place captured his attention more than any other: the Galapagos Islands. There, Darwin noticed something remarkable. Birds that looked almost identical had different beaks. Each beak was perfectly suited to the food available on its island. It was a clue. Nature wasn't creating perfect animals. It was favoring those best suited to their environment. At nearly the same time, another scientist, Alfred Russel Wallace, reached the very same conclusion. Together, their ideas transformed biology forever. But how does natural selection actually work? The answer is written across the entire animal kingdom. Natural selection isn't just a scientific idea. It's happening all around us, every single day. Imagine a rabbit searching for food. In the distance, a predator begins to move. The rabbit isn't stronger. It doesn't have sharp claws or powerful teeth, but it has something even more valuable: speed, sharp senses, and quick reactions. Now travel to the frozen Arctic. A polar bear survives because its thick fur and layers of fat protect it from the extreme cold. Then cross the burning desert. A camel survives by conserving water and enduring intense heat. Dive beneath the ocean, where an octopus changes color and blends into the rocks, disappearing from danger. Different animals, different environments, different survival strategies. Yet they all follow the same rule. The species best adapted to its environment has the greatest chance to survive. But if this rule shapes every animal on Earth, how has it shaped us? But one species would change the rules of survival forever: humans. We weren't the fastest. We weren't the strongest. Yet we learned to adapt in ways no other species could. We mastered fire. We worked together. We shared knowledge from one generation to the next. Over time, we built farms, cities, and entire civilizations. Then the world changed again. Machines transformed how we work. Computers transformed how we learn. And today, artificial intelligence is transforming how we solve problems. The challenge is no longer just surviving nature. It's adapting to a world changing faster than ever before. The question isn't, who is the strongest? It's who can keep learning, keep adapting, and keep moving forward. Because the greatest survival tool humanity has ever possessed is the ability to adapt.
For billions of years, life has survived by adapting to change. Today, the challenge is no longer just nature. Our climate is changing. Technology is advancing. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live and work. For the first time in history, humanity has the power not only to adapt to the world, but to reshape it. The choices we make today will shape the future of generations to come. Perhaps one day, humans will build cities on other worlds. Perhaps our greatest discoveries are still ahead of us. But one truth has remained unchanged since life first appeared on Earth. Survival has never belonged to the strongest. It belongs to those who can learn, adapt, and face change with courage. Because the greatest survival tool has always been the ability to adapt. This is the survival code.